Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to do a little bit more with the math module. And now that I'm thinking about it, I don't think we've even imported the math module. So we're going to do a specific method from it, but let's just import it and let's just get started. So, all right, import math and run our dir on math. So alright, the one that we're going to talk about now that I think is a very handy tool is Factorial. So I actually did the recursion video, and I'll put it down in the comments. Factorial is if you don't know in math, Factorial is this. It looks like in math. Well, what this does is it goes 5 times, 6 times, 4 times, 3 times, 2 times 1. So alright, and to remind you, if it's a method, we need to use it like this. Factorial, let's see if I spelled that right. Yep, okay. So factorial of 5 gets pretty big pretty quick. So it's 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Boom, 120. So if you're like me and have a hard time spelling, this can be very challenging. So let me show you a different way to do this. So from math, import Factorial. So then now we do Factorial 5. Let's do print. So we do it over here, nothing will happen. So, alright. Boom, close that out. Save, run. 20. And again, spelling isn't your strong suit as fact. So now what we can do, let's leave that there and comment it out. Oops. Control Z. There we go. Print fact 5. So what I did is I used a bunch of our keywords, and this is shorthand for changing this into a very short, and we get our 120. So there we go, and we are going to use this next time to do some pretty cool math, but I wanted to make sure that I had a specific one on the math library, and then we're going to go through and really start jumping into some of these really cool modules that Python's already done for us, so we don't have to go and do all the legwork or have to write a completely new function. So I showed you how to do recursion, and Factorial is an awesome way to do it, but you don't want to have to write all that. Python's even taking care of that for you. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell. And we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.